In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart with percentages in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to visually represent your data and gain insights at a glance. We'll start from scratch, so whether you're a beginner or need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step. To begin, make sure you have your data ready in a Google Sheets table. Once you're satisfied with the data setup, it's time to create your pie chart. Start by selecting the data table that you want to visualize. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells that you want to include in the chart. Once your data is highlighted, move your cursor to the menu at the top of the screen and click on Insert. Here, you'll find an option labeled Chart. Click on it. Google Sheets will then generate a default chart, and this is where you'll select the type of chart you desire. In our case, we want a pie chart, so in the Chart Editor pane that appears on the right side of the screen, find the option where you can select the chart type. It might initially display a column chart, but by clicking on this section, you'll open up a drop-down menu. Scroll through and select Pie Chart. Your sheet will immediately transform the default chart into a pie chart using your selected data. Now that we have our pie chart, the next task is to adjust it to display percentages. This step adds a layer of clarity by showing precisely how each segment contributes to the whole. It's a useful feature for presentations or when you're aiming to communicate proportional data in a clear and effective manner. To do this, stay in the Chart Editor and look for the Customization tab. This is right next to Setup. Click on Customization and you'll see a host of options appearing. Look for a drop-down labeled Pie Chart. Clicking on this will reveal additional features that can be adjusted. Among these options is the Slice label drop-down. Click on it and you'll see various label types you can apply. For this task, click on Percentage. The moment you make this selection, you'll see your pie chart update to include percentages within each slice. These percentages directly correspond to the proportion each slice represents out of the total value. Now, take a step back and admire your work. You have successfully created a pie chart with percentages in Google Sheets. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you now have a visually appealing pie chart that displays percentages, making it easier to digest and analyze the data represented. Whether you're using this for business, school, or personal use, this method is sure to enhance your data presentation. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!